Hello, and welcome to Story Time. Today I'm going to tell you the story of the Three Little Pigs by Amery and Stephen Cartwright. Once upon a time, there was a mother pig and 3 baby pigs. One day she said, "You've grown too big for my little house. It's time you got houses of your own. Build your houses and never open the door to the big bad wolf. He'll eat you," said Mother Pig. The first little pig met a man carrying a big bundle of straw. "Can I have some straw?" says the little pig. "Of course," says the man. The little pig builds his house. He's very proud of it. It has 2 doors, 2 windows, and 1 roof. "I'll be safe and snug inside," he says. The second little pig meets a man carrying a big load of sticks. "Can I have some sticks?" says the little pig. "Of course," says the man. The little pig builds his house. It has strong walls, 2 doors, 2 windows, and a chimney. "I'll be safe and snug inside," he says. The third little pig meets a man. He has a load of bricks. "Can I have some bricks?" says the little pig. "Of course," says the man. The little pig builds his house. It has thick walls, 2 doors, 2 windows, and a chimney. "I'm not afraid of the big bad wolf," he says. The wolf comes to the straw house. "Let me in," he says. "No, Mr. Wolf," says the pig. The wolf huffs, and he puffs, and he blows the house down. The little pig runs to the stick house. Soon the wolf comes to the door. "Let me in," he says. No, we won't, Mr. Wolf," says the 2 little pigs. The wolf huffs, and he puffs, and he blows the whole house down. The 2 little pigs run to the brick house. Soon the wolf comes to the door. "Let me in," he says. No, we won't," says the pigs. The wolf huffs, and he puffs, and he huffs, and he puffs, but he can't blow the house down. He looks around for a way in. The wolf jumps onto the roof. He looks down the chimney. The 3 little pigs put a big pot of water on the stove. "We're ready now," says one. And the wolf slides down the chimney. He falls into the big pot of water. One little pig puts on the lid. "That's the end of the big bad wolf," he says. The 3 little pigs have supper. "You can stay in my house," says one little pig, "and the big bad wolf can never, ever frighten us again."